windy weekend and really mild for all of us. Now, the rain won't last for all of the time. In fact, these weather fronts will move swiftly through on Saturday, taking their rain with them. Then high pressure close to southern Britain means a lot of fine weather, but the proximity of this low does promise more cloud and rain across Northern Ireland and Scotland. Now, at the moment, some of the heaviest bursts of showery rain are down around the Channel Islands, moving their way up through southern England there. In fact, we can see the northern edge of that rain pushing its way through the Midlands and up in towards East Anglia over the last few hours. A few bits and pieces of rain further north, continuing their northwards movement, all tied in with these series of weather fronts here. But this little low pressure area that's going to shepherd those heavy bursts of showery rain in the south away to the east overnight. Further northwards, just a little bit of rain in places, and over the hills of Scotland, a little light snow moving northwards. Changes in the offing though, because these weather fronts sneaking in from the west overnight, bringing strong winds and quite heavy rain across many western areas here of the far west of Britain by the end of the night. Further east it will remain cloudy, quite misty and murky too, with some patches of fog. So the rain arriving in the west, along with some milder weather too. The frost tonight in Scotland, and it may be a little bit cold at first in parts of northeast England as well. Saturday starts off pretty cloudy then, the rain in western areas gathering itself, pushing right across to the east through the morning and lasting for much of the day across parts of eastern England and down around the Channel Islands too. Further west, well, we're going to see it brightening up into the afternoon, sunny spells developing as the winds change to the west and some blustery showers blowing in. That's the case for Northern Ireland and much of Scotland too, but in the far north, any sleet and snow turning to rain and setting in for the whole day, along with some really strong winds. Those winds initially with the rain, south or southeasterlies, changing more round towards a westerly as it brightens, as you can see, much milder across central Britain than we've seen for the last few days. A reminder of Sunday's chart, the wet weather close to the low. So in the morning over Northern Ireland, spreading its way up across Scotland, most of England and Wales dry and bright with spells of sunshine, but these western regions, particularly the coast, clouding up with a little rain later on. I wish you a good weekend.
Ladies